So if you have a complex information like this, then you can actually go ahead and copy this information just like this. Go to Kimi and then simply paste it right here just like this. So now once you do that, you can simply say, now explain this to me in simple language right here just like this, and then click on send. So once you go ahead and do that, it'll analyze the content that I send and will simplify it out. So you can see that it is analyzing, and you can see that it took this complex information and says now that artificial intelligence or AI is like giving computers the ability to think and learn like humans, and it helps machines do things that usually human needs brains, like solving problems and so forth. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So apart from this, you can also say, now give me the same information in simple points right here just like this. So you can go ahead and get it in a simple point format as well once you type in that prompt. So here it says, sure, here are the main points in simple language. What is AI and examples of AI right here, and why we don't always call it AI, goals of AI, and so forth. So I divided everything into points, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can get simplified explanations inside of Kimi for given information. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.